Hi, I'm Nicola Bolton. I'm a physics teacher here at Mirfield College. I'm really excited to talk to you about physics. So we do the AQA assessment here. It's a full A-level which considers a whole variety of topics from electricity to magnetism and fields. We do particles and particle interactions. We look at gravitational fields, we look at mechanics, we look at thermal physics, so we cover a whole variety of things within this physics curriculum. We have lots of support on offer for students who might find physics a little bit more challenging than some of the other subjects, but we have a really positive record at pushing those students forward, and our value added for physics has been consistently positive, one of the best in the school, which we're really proud of. And that's something that's continued on and will continue on in years to come. We believe in regularly assessing students in physics. It's important to keep on track with things, but physics is a difficult subject to bring to life because a lot of what we're dealing with is actually a very small level. So whilst we can't actually in the current times go to visit CERN, which we would normally do, what we can do is use the information that's out on the internet and the information that we have in practical experiments. So we have electron diffraction guns, which we've used with Year 12 recently, that show about wave-particle duality. We've also got a whole variety of resources which we can use either internet-based or in the classroom. One of the things that we like to use is the A-level physics online. We call him the Lego man, and he's really exciting and he brings everything to life using Lego. So we look at a whole variety of ways in which we can pull together information to make physics accessible to everybody. Physics is an important subject to take for an engineering degree or future study in engineering, but also a variety of things. Physics can also be accepted for medicine and other things where science is required. So we've had lots of students in the past go on to do things like energy engineering, aeronautical engineering, and a whole variety of engineering courses. They are complementary to maths, work very well. There's a mechanics overlap between maths and physics, which students find really reassuring because the skills that they pick up in maths and physics are transferable between the two subjects. We have a whole host of ways in which we link with the maths department to try and make this as easy as possible for the transition between the two subjects. We have a very exciting physics department with 2 women teaching physics, which is really unusual for a physics department. Girls in physics is really important to us, and we're looking at STEM subjects and pushing forward girls in physics and girls in STEM subjects, and that's something that myself and Miss Rutherford want to push forward in the future. We are looking forward to engineering your future at Mirfield College.